Think you've mastered the art of driving? Think again. There's a whole world of car secrets you've probably never heard of. From hidden features built into your vehicle to pro-level tricks that can completely change the way you drive, these are the tips experts rarely share. We're revealing 17 car secrets you won't find in your manual, but they could save you money, protect your car, and make every trip smoother and safer. Skip these, and you might miss out on performance and safety. By the end, you'll see your car and your driving habits in a completely different way. Stay tuned, because the deeper we go into this list, the more powerful the tips become. Let's get started. 17. Gas tank locator. Ever pulled up to a gas station in a rental or new car and had no clue which side the gas tank was on? Most drivers don't realize there's a simple trick right on the dashboard. Look at the fuel gauge. Next to the tiny gas pump icon, you'll see a small arrow or triangle. That arrow points to the side of the car where the fuel cap is located. No more awkward reversing or switching lanes at the last moment. It's a tiny feature, but it saves time and hassle, especially when driving unfamiliar cars. Nearly all modern vehicles have it, yet many drivers overlook it. Before you refuel next time, check your dashboard and pull up to the correct side confidently. 16. Road condition indicators. Modern cars come with more than just engine warning lights. They have road condition indicators too. One of the most helpful is the snowflake icon, which lights up when temperatures are low enough for icy roads to form. It's controlled by a sensor near the front bumper that detects freezing air accurately since it's far from the engine's heat. When it lights up, it's your car's way of telling you to drive cautiously, because even at slow speeds, icy roads can be dangerous. Many drivers ignore this little light, but it can prevent serious accidents. If you see it, reduce your speed, keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and avoid sudden braking or steering. It's a small feature with life-saving potential. 15. Morning gas. Hack. Did you know refueling in the morning can save you money in the long run? Gasoline, like all liquids, expands when it's warm and contracts when it's cooler. In the early morning, fuel is denser because temperatures are lower. This means you get slightly more energy per gallon compared to filling up in the heat of the day, when the same gallon takes up more space but contains fewer molecules. While the difference might seem small for frequent drivers or those filling up large tanks, it adds up over time. Gas stations store fuel in underground tanks, but even small temperature changes can affect density. So, if you want to get the most value for your money, refuel early or late in the evening. 14. Side mirror defrosters. On cold mornings or rainy days, side mirrors often fog up or freeze, making it harder to see surrounding traffic clearly. Many modern cars solve this problem with built-in mirror defrosters, a feature many drivers overlook. Instead of manually wiping your mirrors or waiting forever for the fog to clear, simply use the side mirror control knob inside your car. In most vehicles, rotating the knob to the right setting activates tiny heating elements within the mirrors. Within minutes, frost and condensation vanish, restoring full visibility. This feature is especially handy in winter when ice buildup can be dangerous. Experienced drivers know that clear mirrors mean safer lane changes and better overall awareness on the road, so use it whenever the weather calls for it. 13. Starting car with dead remote. Imagine rushing to work and discovering your car remote battery is dead, doors won't unlock, and the push start button won't respond. Most drivers panic here, but seasoned pros know about the passive RFID system built into modern vehicles. Unlike the active system that uses battery power to communicate with the car, the passive RFID draws power directly from the vehicle when you bring the key fob close enough. Simply hold your dead remote an inch or less away from the start button or the marked area on the steering column, and your car will detect it, letting you start the engine normally. It's a lifesaver in emergencies and prevents unnecessary tow calls or delays. Check your car's manual for the exact location of the RFID reader. 12. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Driving with underinflated tires isn't just unsafe, it also costs you money in fuel efficiency. That's why modern cars come with a Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. This system uses sensors to track tire pressure and alerts you via a dashboard light, often shaped like a tire with an exclamation point. Low pressure means more tire surface touches the road. increasing friction, heat, and the risk of blowouts while burning more fuel. Some cars even display the exact PSI for each tire, so you can see which one needs attention. If the light comes on, don't ignore it. Check your tires right away. Proper inflation improves handling, extends tire life, boosts gas mileage, and keeps you safe on the road. 11. Blind spot monitoring. Changing lanes on a busy highway can be nerve-wracking, especially with vehicles hovering in your blind spots. That's where blind spot monitoring, BSM, comes in. Using sensors or radar, this system detects cars just outside your mirror's view. When a vehicle enters your blind spot, a warning light flashes on your side mirror or dashboard. Some systems even give an audible alert if you signal to change lanes while a car is there. This technology greatly reduces the risk of side collisions and makes lane changes smoother and safer. It's especially helpful in heavy traffic or on multi-lane highways where vehicles can appear suddenly. For many experienced drivers, BSM is a must-have feature that provides an extra layer of confidence and security on the road. 10. Adaptive cruise control. Traditional cruise control locks in a speed, but adaptive cruise control, ACC, takes things to the next level. Using cameras and radar, ACC monitors the traffic ahead and automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance. If the car in front slows down, so does yours. When the road clears, it speeds back up to your set limit, all without you touching the pedals. Some advanced systems even handle stop-and-go traffic, bringing your car to a complete stop and restarting it as needed. This feature reduces fatigue on long drives, keeps you safer in unpredictable traffic, and makes highway cruising far more relaxing. For seasoned drivers, ACC is a game changer that combines convenience, safety, and comfort seamlessly on every journey. 9. Check engine light signal. The check engine light is one of the most misunderstood warnings in cars. Many people panic when it comes on, but often the cause is simple: a loose or faulty gas cap. A missing seal lets vapors escape, triggering the sensor. Before rushing to a mechanic, always check and tighten your gas cap. Of course, the light can also signal more serious issues, like failing spark plugs, oxygen sensors, or catalytic converters. If the car runs fine and there's no strange noise, start with the basics. But if the light stays on or the car drives poorly, use an OBD2 scanner or visit a professional. Experienced drivers know this simple habit saves time, stress, and unnecessary repair costs by ruling out minor issues first. 8. Motion parallax. Have you ever noticed how nearby objects seem to zoom past while distant ones barely move when you're driving? That's called motion parallax, and it's more than a neat visual trick. It actually helps you judge speed and distance while on the road. Close objects, like trees or signs, appear to move rapidly in the opposite direction because their viewing angle changes quickly as you drive. Meanwhile, far-away objects like mountains or the moon seem almost still since their angle hardly changes. Understanding this phenomenon gives experienced drivers a better sense of speed and depth perception, especially when overtaking or merging. It's a natural way your brain processes motion, helping you make safer driving decisions without relying solely on instruments or technology. 7. Smartphone integration. Modern driving is no longer just about horsepower and handling. It's also about seamless connectivity between your car and your digital life. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your smartphone pairs directly with your car's infotainment system, bringing essential apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, and hands-free calling right to your dashboard screen. Instead of fumbling with your phone, everything is accessible through touch controls or voice commands like Siri and Google Assistant, letting you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. These systems are designed with safety in mind. It's blocking unnecessary or distracting apps while giving you quick access to navigation, music, and messaging. Long trips become easier with real-time traffic updates, voice-guided directions, and curated playlists that set the mood for the journey. Plus, you can send and receive texts hands-free, so you stay connected without losing focus. Experienced drivers love this feature because it combines convenience, entertainment, and safety into one intuitive setup. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a road trip, smartphone integration transforms your car into a smarter, safer companion, making driving not just efficient, but also a lot more enjoyable. 6. Advanced seatbelt safety. Seatbelts have always been the first line of defense in a crash, but modern seatbelts now feature advanced technologies that most drivers don't even realize are there. For example, pretensioners instantly tighten the belt in a collision, pulling you firmly against the seat so you're in the safest position before the airbags deploy. Right after that, force limiters release a controlled amount of slack to reduce pressure on your chest, minimizing the risk of injury from the belt itself. Some vehicles even come with inflatable seatbelts for rear passengers, spreading crash forces over a larger area for added protection, especially for children and elderly passengers. Features like adjustable upper anchors ensure the belt crosses your chest correctly rather than dangerously near your neck, while energy management loops absorb some of the impact forces, improving overall safety. All these systems work together in milliseconds, creating a coordinated safety response you don't even notice until you need it most. Experienced drivers understand that today's seatbelts are no longer just simple straps. They're engineered lifesavers designed to protect you from multiple angles when accidents happen. 5. Hidden storage compartments. Many cars have hidden storage spaces designed to keep your belongings secure and out of sight. These compartments often go unnoticed unless you've explored your car thoroughly. For example, some SUVs have underfloor storage in the trunk, perfect for valuables or emergency tools. Vehicles like the Dodge Journey feature storage bins under the seats or in the floor, while some Land Rover models even hide compartments behind climate control panels. These spaces aren't just convenient, they also keep your car looking tidy and help protect your items from theft. Experienced drivers use them for important documents, first aid kits, or extra cash, knowing they're safer than leaving things in the open. Next time you clean your car, check for these secret compartments. You might be surprised. 4. Adjustable headrests. Headrests may seem like simple comfort features, but they play a critical role in safety and even survival in emergencies. Many people don't realize the correct height for a headrest should be aligned with the top of your head, not your neck. This positioning helps prevent whiplash injuries during rear-end collisions, one of the most common accident types on the road. When set too low, the headrest can fail to support your head properly, increasing the risk of serious neck and spine injuries. But there's more. Headrests can also be life-saving tools in emergencies. Most are designed with removable metal rods strong enough to shatter a car window if you're trapped inside after an accident. Simply pull the headrest out and use the pointed rods on the corner of the window glass for a quick escape. This dual purpose, protection in crashes and aid in emergencies, makes them far more important than most drivers realize. Experienced drivers always check headrest height before driving and know how to remove them if needed. It's a small, often overlooked feature that can literally save your life twice over, first in a crash, and then if you need to escape quickly. 3. Anti-stall technology. For decades, driving a manual car meant mastering clutch control to avoid embarrassing or even dangerous stalls, especially on steep hills or in heavy traffic. Releasing the clutch too quickly or hesitating with the gas pedal often caused the engine to cut out abruptly. But modern cars now come equipped with anti-stall technology, a feature that makes driving manual vehicles far smoother and less stressful. Here's how it works. When you release the clutch slowly, the system automatically applies just enough throttle to keep the engine running, even if you don't press the gas pedal. The result? Smooth, controlled starts without the jerks or sudden stalls many new drivers dread. It's especially helpful in stop-and-go city traffic, or when starting on uphill roads where stalling is most common. Experienced drivers also appreciate it because it reduces clutch wear and makes daily driving less demanding. Once you get used to this technology, you'll realize how much easier it makes handling a manual car. It turns what was once a challenging skill into a seamless, confidence-boosting experience, proving that even traditional driving methods benefit from modern innovation. 2. Heads-up display, HUD. The heads-up display, HUD, is one of the most futuristic features in modern cars, and it feels like something straight out of a fighter jet cockpit. Instead of constantly glancing down at your dashboard for speed, navigation directions, or warnings, HUD projects this critical driving information directly onto your windshield. You can see your speed, upcoming turns, lane guidance, and even the posted speed limit, all without taking your eyes off the road. Some advanced systems go further, showing caller ID, music tracks, and safety alerts, reducing distractions even more. This feature is a game changer, especially at night or in heavy traffic, when taking your eyes off the road for even a split second can be dangerous. HUD keeps your focus forward where it matters most, so you stay fully aware of what's happening around you. Experienced drivers love it because it combines convenience, safety, and technology in one seamless display. It feels futuristic yet practical, making driving smarter, safer, and far more enjoyable whether you're on a long highway trip or navigating through a busy city at night. 1. Backseat reminders. The backseat reminder system is one of the simplest yet most important safety innovations in modern vehicles. Here's how it works. When you open a rear door before or during your trip, the car's computer takes note. Later, when you park and turn off the engine, you'll hear a chime or see a dashboard alert reminding you to check the back seat. This small but powerful feature was designed to prevent tragedies, especially during hot summer months when cars can heat up dangerously fast. Leaving a child, pet, or even valuables behind can have devastating consequences, and this reminder serves as a life-saving nudge. Beyond safety, it also helps avoid forgetting groceries, laptops, or important bags after a long drive. Some vehicles even integrate advanced systems with cabin cameras to detect movement and trigger stronger alerts if something, or someone, is left behind. Experienced drivers appreciate this feature because it combines peace of mind, family safety, and practicality in one simple solution. It shows how modern cars are becoming smarter, not just about performance, but about protecting lives and preventing accidents before they happen. And there you have it, 17 car secrets even seasoned drivers swear by. Use these tips to save money, drive safer, and make every ride smoother. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe now for more game-changing car tips every week.